Welcome back to the channel. 5G is the fifth generation mobile network that is a global wireless standard after 4G, which enables a new kind of network. It is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. The 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi Gbps peak data speed, ultra low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experience and connect new industries. Who invented the 5G? No one company or a person owns 5G actually, but there are several companies within the mobile ecosystem that are contributing to bringing 5G to life. 5G new generation of mobile technology capable of ultra high speed, low latency, and excellent reliability. In the countries where it is difficult to make the 5G primary brand available for 5G can serve as alternative to 5G primary band, can also suitable compromise between coverage and capacity as well as sufficient bandwidth. 5G is based on OFDM, orthogonal frequency divisional multiplexing method of modulating a digital signal across several different channels to reduce interference. 5G uses 5G NR air interfaces alongside OFDM principles. 5G also uses wider bandwidth technology such as sub 6 MHz and wave. 5G will bring wider bandwidth by expanding the uses of spectrum resources from a sub 3 GHz used in 4G to 100 GHz and beyond, and designed not only to deliver fast, better mobile broadband service compared to 4G LTE, but can also expand a new service areas such as mission critical communication and connecting the massive IoT. It is enabled by many new 5G NR air interface design techniques such as new self-contained TDD subframe design. There is a several reason that will offer 5G better than 4G in terms of services. It is significantly faster, more capacity, significantly lower latency, uniform platform that is more capable than 4G. It uses a spectrum better than 4G. It's a unified platform more capable than 4G, but also support 5G also support the new services such as mission critical communication and massive IoT that also natively support all spectrum type, licensed, shared, and unlicensed, and low bandwidth as low, middle, or high deployment model for traditional macro cell to hotspot, a new way to interconnect device to device and multi op mesh. The economic contribution to the 5G value chain in 2035, after almost 15 years later, as I said, 5G is a key enabler for the national ICT transformation. These are the gross output and employment comparison chart of different countries. China, US, Japan, Germany, South Korea, France, UK, and rest of the world. These are the across multiple layers. Massive machine type communication, unreliable and low latency communications, enhanced mobile broadband, pyramid. You can find that enhanced mobile broadband pyramid. This figure shows multi-layer frequency band approach for 5G uses scenario: high band, super data layer, mid band, coverage and capacity layer, low band, coverage layer. In wide area and deep indoor coverage, below 2 GHz frequency. In mid band, the best compromise between capacity and coverage. Wide area but no deep coverage, 2 to 8 GHz frequency. And in super data layer high band, addressing specific use cases requiring extremely high data rates, at least 400 to 800 megahertz continuously. And how 5G affect the global economy? 5G is affecting the global growth, driving the global growth, 13.1 trillion US dollars of global economic output, 22.8 million US dollar new jobs created, and 265 billion US dollar global 5G capex and R&D annually over the next 15 years. The economic studies found that 5G's full economic capital likely to realize across globe by 2035, supporting a wide range of industries and potentially enabling up to 13 trillion US dollar worth of goods and services, which impact much greater than the previous network generation. Automotive industry study also revealed that the 5G value chain could alone support up to 22.8 million jobs, more than one job every person in China, and there are many emerging and new applications that will still be defined in the future. One time that will affect the 5G effect of the economy is going to be. That's all for today. Thanks.